It has been 10 years since we first started the annual PhD workshop at IIHS. The workshop is designed as a space to help doctoral students explore, fine-tune, and expand emerging areas of urban and interdisciplinary research, especially in India and other parts of the global south. Over a decade, we have successfully built a space of convivial co-learning that opens a range of conversations on knowledge creation, methods, epistemological and ontological debates, along with critical lived experience of scholars navigating the difficult path to a doctoral degree. We bring together a remarkable interdisciplinary faculty across a wide range of disciplines from India and internationally to help facilitate this process. The IIHS PhD workshop has welcomed close to 200 participants from leading global and Indian institutions, including Oxford, UCL, MIT, UPenn, UC Berkeley, Sciences Po, Wits University, UCT, the IITs, JNU and TIS, across 41 disciplines and interdisciplinary areas such as anthropology, architecture, climate change, economics, urban studies, public policy, sociology, conflict studies, biotechnology, and international relations. And of course, there are multiple sectoral, methodological and theoretical intersections with the urban. Applications for the 10th edition of the IIHS PhD workshop are now open. The application process is competitive. Over 600 candidates applied to fill the 200-odd slots we had open over the last decade. If you are a doctoral student working in the urban, anywhere in the world, and especially in India, this is your chance to apply.